Yeah. Yeah. I see you talk, but what's your net worth? Come on, tell me what them checks worth. Don't come at me like you an expert. Go and ask your girl just why her legs hurt. When it's all about the dollars, they so understanding. Pull up to the show, my lyrics, they start chanting. Came up to the spot, yo bitch be dirty dancing. No ho, I don't love you, I can't get romantic. Pull up and it goes, this shit do or die. Pull up with my bros, we be smoking pot. Pull up in the raid, in the back I'm high. This shit more than music, put that on my life. I see you talk, but what's your net worth? Yeah, go on, tell me what them checks worth. Don't come at me like you an expert. Go ask your girl just why her legs hurt. I see you talk, but what's your net worth? Yeah, tell me what them checks worth. Don't come at me like you an expert. Go and ask your girl just why her legs hurt.
I just wanna know why every time I come around motherfuckers think it's funny looking at me up and down. I don't really know you, you don't really know the crew. Stop acting like it's funny, nah, shit you gonna do. Look at you, crew not hard. Motherfuckers don't know that the kid had bars. Check ID, flow, police him down. You always acting funny till police come around. You got a new car but you leasing it now. I got a big dog on a leash, I'm releasing him now. You know police at the pound, I'm a beast in the hound. No crew loud, we ain't keeping it down, but we slowing it down. She got crew love cause she holding us down, holding us down. Got young ins pouring out they hosters now. Not shopping and holders now. What? All ball main, all this designer, Gucci and Prada. Spending a lot on weed and anything I need. I'm trying to smoke but not a fiend. I'm not attracted to the lean, so fuck all that promethazine. Don't make me start another scene. I grab your mother, make it scream and stab your brother. Leave the scene, won't even see the car fleeing. Woo. Cop the old white whip, it stay clean, no. Always on the scene, winning like Charlie Sheen. No, they tryna take my green, but they can't, they not see. Low can't see through me, but I see through them. 10 so dark, can't peek through the bands. We'll leap through your fence, and I'm rolling with a motherfucking click that's tighter than Anderson's friends. And it depends how I'm feeling today. I'll pick up a bar, then I'm slamming away. Can we debate that I may be the best? I'm hushing haters up like when babies to rest. I hustle around their face so they baby, they stress. My weed so strong that it maybe just flex. Lately I got my haters depressed, and I leave them impressed, but they loving it though. Only thing I don't do is show love to a hoe. No love for the foes, no love to the feds. Shot a group chat, man, I fuck with my friends. Keep my circle small, no bugs in my band, man, I fuck